bamboo man. Y'all know me, I be making them bamboo fishing rods. Well, me and my family, we just picked up a new boat, just barely an 18-footer. We're just roaming around over here in the Texas City Dike, went to Galveston, down to the jetties. Well, we only picked up like a 3-foot, 3.5-foot black tip at the end of the Texas City Dike. But that was it. So, short video.